install Python, you can navigate to python.org. You can click on the download Python 3.13, that is the latest version, but you can also go through the previous version to see which one you want to install. Try to install always the latest one. If you are working on Windows, you need to navigate to the Windows. If your operating system is Linux or Unix, you can download from here. I'm using Mac OS, so I'm going to download it from this. Once you download it, it would be in your download folder. You can double click it. Once you double click your exe, click on continue. You can read this information. Click on continue. Check the license versions and all. Continue. You need to agree the license. It will install. Once your Python is installed, you can close this window, move the installer to bin, and you can verify which version of Python is installed on your machine by navigating to the terminal or command prompt if you are using Windows machine. I'm using Mac, so I'm using the terminal one. Command which you need to use is pip version, and it will give you the version which is being used and the location where it is. Okay. That's how we can install Python on our machine.